Good evening, class. Myself Gaurav Kumar. I welcome all of you to this YouTube platform that is Acharya IS Academy. So I am your teacher and I am here to guide you about the mathematics that will be asked in all the SSC examinations that are SSC CGL, CHSL, CPU, MTS, GD and Phase 13. In these six examination, mathematics is asked. So today is our practice session number 8. So what we have 10 questions of mathematics. This thumbnail is wrong. We have another thumbnail. We are studying only for mathematics. So we have 10 questions here of mathematics. That is practice session number 8. Question number first. So try to solve this question. What we have? We have a trigonometric problem. A cot theta plus B cosec theta is equal to P and B cot theta plus A cosec theta is equal to Q. Then P square minus Q square is equals to. See, there is an identity. If B cosec theta plus A cot theta equal to P and B cot theta plus A cosec theta is equal to Q, then P square minus Q square is always equal to the coefficient of cosec theta, that is B square minus A square. It means option number A is the correct answer. All of you are aware of the identity that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So when I will apply this formula, if I square both side, then what I have here, a plus b whole square equal to p square, this one whole square equal to q square. When I will subtract this one from this one, what I will get, p square minus q square, that will be equal to b square minus a square. I will prove it in the next slide. So because we have lots of time, we have 10 questions. What is given? We have given a cot theta plus b cosec theta is equal to p. A cot theta plus b cosec theta is equal to p. And what we have given, a cot theta, not a cot theta, b cot theta, b cot theta, b cot theta. This one I am writing for you. Otherwise, you have to remember it. Cosec theta is equal to q. Squaring both side. On squaring both side, what I will get here, I will get a square cot square theta plus b square cosec square theta plus 2ab. Second, cot theta dot cosec theta is equal to p square. If you ever had a chance to learn trigonometry from me, then I will teach you about all the methods, all the short tricks, or all the short methods to solve these questions. A square cosec square theta plus 2ab cot theta minus cosec theta minus cosec theta is equal to q square q square. This one is into here, cosec theta into. See, if I do p square minus q square, it means I am subtracting. Suppose this one is my equation first, this one is my equation second. If I subtract equation second from equation first, what I will get? See, 2ab cot theta cosec theta, 2ab cot theta cosec theta will be cancelled out. What we have here, if I take a square common from here, if I take a square common, see, if I take b square common, what I have here, cosec square theta minus here cot square theta, because I know an identity that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is always equal to 1. See, if I take minus a square common, then what I have? I have again cosec square theta minus cot square theta. is equal to p square minus q square. This one is my required answer. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. It's an universal identity. So b square minus a square, b square minus a square is equal to p square minus q square. You will always keep this thing in your mind. What it is? That b square minus a square is equal to p square minus q square. So I will tell you a trick to learn it directly. See, we have a confusion only here, b square minus a square. Either the answer can be b square minus a square or the answer can be a square minus b square. See, we have to calculate p square minus q square. So here is p. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So whatever the coefficient of cosec theta is given, this will come first, b square minus a square. So I can write that p square minus q square is equal to b square minus a square. If here the coefficient of cosec theta is a, it's b, it's a, it's b, then my answer would be a square minus b square. This one is my required answer, and this one is the complete explanation of this question. Next, we have a question here. Two medians DM and EN of triangle DEF intersect each other at G at right angle. If EF is equal to 20 centimeter and EN is equal to 12 centimeter, then what is the length of DM? And here DM is not district magistrate. Here DM is a length. So we have a triangle. See, we have a triangle. This one is my triangle. And the triangle is DEF. This triangle is DEF. Triangle is DEF. We have two medians. That is DM and EN. So EN is a median and we have DM. DM is a median. What are the properties of a median? The property of a median is that it bisect the opposite side into two equal parts. This one and this one will be equal. This one and this one will be equal. What it is? This one is my DM. This one is my EN. So EF is equal to 20 centimeter. This complete length is 20 centimeter. If this length is 20 centimeter, then this one is 10 centimeter and this one is also 10 centimeter. Because a median, what a median does? A median bisect the opposite side into two equal parts. This one is a 90 degree. This one is given, that is 90 degree. See, and this one is the point G. This one is my point G. A point G is there and it is 90 degree. See, this one is called centroid, and property of a centroid is, guys, I have a call. So we have a call from my mother. So what we have? See, the property of the centroid is that it divide this line into a ratio that is 2:1. If I write a ratio DG ratio GM is equal to 2:1. If I want to write the ratio of EG ratio GN, then it will also be 2:1. EG ratio GN is also 2:1. These ratio are 2:1. If this one is my centroid and this one is my centroid, so EG ratio GN is equal to 2:1. What we have given, EN is equal to 12 centimeter. This complete line, that is EN is equal to 12 centimeter. EN is given, that is 12 centimeter. So I can break it into two ratio, that is 2:1. So this line would be 8 centimeter and this line would be 4 centimeter, because we have a ratio 2:1. So if this one is 90 degree, this one is also 90 degree, then we have a Pythagoras, and Pythagoras says that this one is my hypotenuse, this one is my perpendicular, then tan square minus 8 square is equal to 36, that is equal to 6 square. This one is 6 centimeter. If this one is 6 centimeter, then this one is 12 centimeter. This one is 12 centimeter, because we have a ratio. This one is 12 centimeter. This line is 12 centimeter. This line is 12 cent. Which line? DG. Because this is 2:1. I have written already 2:1. The length of DM is equal to 12 plus 6, that is 18. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the length of DM, that is 18 centimeter. Our district magistrate is of length 18 centimeter. That is option number D. Has anyone given the correct answer? Neha, namaste sir. Namaste Neha. This class is in English, so you have to speak in English. So Nikhil has given A answer. Sonia Rawat, Shreya Khandewal, creative. Guys, if you want to answer, then you have to answer in a certain way. What is the way? If you want to answer the option question number 2, then you will write is 2C. Then I will be able to understand of which questions you are answering. So Miss Neha, English नहीं आती sir हमको, but you have to understand English na. If you want to crack your SSC examinations, then you should be good in English. Next question number 3. This question is of algebra. We have x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5 and x is greater than 1. What is the value of x to the power 8 minus 1 upon x to the power 8? 9377. So we have x plus 1 upon x. See, I have to calculate x to the power 8 minus 1 upon x to the power 8. The question is calculative, but we will solve it with a certain technique. We know that a square minus b square. Everyone on this earth who has done matriculation know this formula, that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. This one is my universal formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So if I break it, then what I have, x to the power 4 minus x to the 1 upon x to the power 4. Further it can be break up. And what we have, x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. This formula can further be break up into, see, I can break up it into as x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square. So x square minus 1 upon x square also can be further divided. So I will write the exact one. See, I can write it as x plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x. This one is my x square minus 1 upon x square. This one is my x square plus 1 upon x square. If I combined these, I have x to the power 4 minus 1 upon x to the power, and what I have, x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. I have to put values here. So first of all, I will tell you a method. And what the method is? See, if x plus 1 upon x is given, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to m, and I have to calculate x minus 1 upon x, then it is equal to plus minus under the root m square minus 4. When I will teach you algebra, then I will tell you everything in details. But for this question, you have to remember it. If x plus 1 upon x is given, x plus 1 upon x is equal to m, then x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to m square minus 2. M square minus 2. If we want to calculate x to the power 4 minus 1 upon x to the power 4, then whatever the values here, we will square it and subtract -2 from it. So what we have to calculate x plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x is given 5. So my answer should be divisible by 5. All these numbers are divisible by 5. See, I don't want to multiply all these numbers. I will calculate the digital sum of this question. What is the digital sum? First of all, you have to add all the digits. See, root 21 is common in on the all the options. See, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5, we know that x minus 1 upon x is equal to under the root m square minus 4. 5 square is equal to 25 minus 4. It is equal to under the root of 21. So here it is under the root of 21. 21 is common in all the options. So if I want to calculate x square plus 1 upon x square, it would be equal to 5 square minus 2, that is 23. If I have to calculate this one, x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4, then I have to square it and subtract -2 from it. 23 square is equal to 5 to 9 minus 2, 5 to 7. This one is my answer. I have to multiply it. So I will not multiply, I will use a digital sum. See, 6 or 6 12, 12 plus 5 17. So 9 1 ja 9. So 8 is the digital sum of option A. 6 6 6 0 is the digital sum here. 6 7 5 digital sum is 0 here. See, if the sum is 18, it means the digital sum is either 0 or 9. 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 5 is 18. 6 plus 7, that is 13. 5 plus 2 7, 20. So here digital sum is 2. Digital sum is 2. In this option, the digital sum is 2. I will check the digital sum of my answer. We have 5 here. 3 plus 2 5. We have 5 here. 5 into 3, because we have multiplication sign in between. 3 2 5 into 7 plus 2 9 plus 5 14. 14 14 we can write as 4 plus 5. 5 into 5 into 5 125. Add these numbers, we have 8. So 8 is the digital sum of this product. I am writing ds. Ds is for digital sum. I am writing ds. Ds is equal to digital sum. So 8 is the digital sum of option number A. So option number A will be my answer. If you multiply this number, then 100% this will come. Next. Question number 4. If x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to, suppose, a number n, then x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to the square of this number minus 2. I will tell you this in detail in my algebra topic. Next, question number 4. We have a question of alligation and mixture. A vessel is filled with liquid, 5 parts of which are water and 11 parts are syrup. What we have? We have a solution. So actually we have a mixture in which what we have? We have a syrup, S for syrup, and what we have? We have water. 11 parts are syrup. If we have 11 parts syrup, then what we have? We have 5 parts of water. This one is my solution. What part of mixture must be drawn off and replaced with water so that the mixture may be syrup and water? So that the mixture may be syrup and water in the ratio of 3:2. What we have? Syrup is 3, this one is 3, and this one is 2. See, we are replacing the mixture and we are replacing it with water. If it means we are changing water, if we are changing water, it means our syrup should be same, but our syrup is not same. Why? It is 11 here and it is 3 here. What we have to do? We have to make it 33. I will multiply 3 in this ratio and I will multiply 11 in this ratio. Why? Because I have to make my syrup equal, and these are co-prime numbers. I have to multiply them with each other. So my new ratio will be, if I have 33 syrup initially, then I have 15 water initially. If now after replacing I have 33 syrup, then now I have what? 22 syrup. So this one is the replaced one. I have replaced 7 point of water. So this one, the whole solution is 55 point. So 7 upon 55 is my correct answer, because I have replaced some mixture and I replaced it with water. So I am adding 7 point water. So I have replaced 7 point of the solution, and the complete solution now is 55. So 7 upon 55 is my correct answer. That is option number D. Next, question number 5. We have a man and a woman can finish a work together in half the time taken by a woman and a boy together. What we have? We have a man and we have a woman. So we have a ratio of these with what? A woman plus a boy. We have the ratio of time. The ratio of time is that if these take one time, then they will take two time. This one is the ratio of time. If the work is same, we know that the total work is equal to time into efficiency. Time into efficiency. If we know the time of a person and his efficiency to do a certain work, then we can calculate the total work in time and work. I will teach you in details. So what we have, if work is constant, then time and efficiency is reciprocal to each other. It means the ratio of efficiency would be equal to, if this one efficiency is 2, then this one has efficiency 1. This one is the ratio of my efficiency. What we have given, a boy can finish the work alone in 20 days. A boy can finish the work in 20 days. Suppose we have B, the efficiency of a boy, and he take 20 days. So whenever I multiply the efficiency into time, I have total work. This one is my total work. But this can be done by two women in 30 days. In 30 days. So I can write the ratio of a boy and ratio of a woman. That is 3:1. It means the ratio of boy to woman is 3:1. So if I add them here, the ratio of boy and woman is 3 plus 1 4, but here it is 1. So I can multiply here. If I multiply here with 4, if this one is 4, then this one is 8. This one is 8. So what we have to do, in how many days will the work be finished by 4 men? I have to finish this work by 4 men into x days. What is the work which a boy can complete in 20 days? So write down their efficiencies here. The efficiency are 4 into. We have to write the efficiency of a man. See, the efficiency of a woman is 1 and man plus woman is 8. Efficiency of the man would be 7. 7 is the efficiency of the man into 7 into x is equal to efficiency of a boy is 3 into 20. So the value of x is equal to 15 upon 7. That is equal to 2.14 days is my correct answer. That is option number B. Next. See, a train start from a station P for another station Q at 6 p.m. at an average speed of 75 km per hour. Another train starts from station Q for station P at 8 p.m. at an average speed of 105 km per hour. If the distance between these two stations is 690 km, then at what time will the two trains meet? So we have to tell the meeting time of these two trains. We have to tell the meeting time of these two trains. So we will calculate it. See, first of all, I will tell you the concept behind this. I will tell you the concept behind this. See, when a train is traveling from, suppose this one is my station P, this one is my station P, and this one is my station Q. We have a train here. What is the name of a train? A train is there. Suppose X is the train. He is moving in this direction at a speed of 75 km per hour, and he start running at 6 p.m. This one is the starting time of this train. At 6 p.m. this train will start from station X. Sorry, X train here. So Y train is here. This train is moving in this direction. Its speed is 105. and time is 8 p.m. See, in time and distance, I will teach you in depth what it is. We have a distance here. The distance is 690 kilometer. 690 kilometer is the distance. In opposite direction, the relative speed of both the train will be 105 plus 75. In each hour, they can they will come closer to each other with 180 kilometer length. 180 kilometer length. So in opposite direction, the relative speed will be added. But we can use the concept of relative speed if this time is same. But here this time is 6 p.m. This time is 8 p.m. First of all, we have to make this time equal. What will we do? Suppose we have a train Y here. I will move this train behind. I will move this train behind and I will take this. Suppose this one is my station R. And here train Y is there. This train has to move there. Its speed is 105. I am moving it. I have taken back this train for 2 hours. So in 2 hours, it will move back 210 kilometer. In 1 hour, it will be behind by 105 kilometers. This one is my speed. In 2 hours, because I have to move behind this train by 2 hours. In 2 hours, this train will be behind at 210 kilometer. So now the total distance is 900 kilometer. 900 kilometer is the total distance between them, and the time is same. We can use the relative speed. In opposite direction, it will be added. At the speed of 180, they will come closer to each other. It means after 5 hours they will meet. 6 p.m. after 6 p.m. and 5 hours. It means at 11 p.m. At 11 p.m. they will meet each other. That is option number C is my correct answer. Has anyone given the answer? No one has given the answer, I think. Guys, you have to answer. Next. So, question number 7. A number first increased by 8% and then decreased by 3%. To get 2619, what is the 5% of that number? So, again, a calculative question is here. Suppose a number m is here. We have a number m. If this one is increased by 8%, it means it become 108. And we can write 108 as 27 upon 25. This one is 27 upon 25. And then decreased by 3%, it means it become 97 if initially it was 100. And originally the number become 2619. 2619. If you know the table of 27, then it is very good. 27 9 ja 243 and 27 7 ja 189. So 97 and 97 will be cancelled out. So value of m is equal to 2500. So the number is 2500. We have to calculate 5% of this number. So 2500. 5% is 1 by 20. It means 125 is the answer of this beautiful question. That is option number A. Question number 8. A shopkeeper purchased 1600 mangoes at the rate of 120 per dozen. Out of these, he sold 900 mangoes at 15 per mango and the remaining mangoes at 14 per mango. His gain percentage is, again, a simple question asked by CGL in 2023. See what we have. We have 1600 mangoes. See, he sold them per dozen. It means 12 mango price is rupees 120. It means one mango price is equal to rupees 10. So we have 1600 mango and the price of a mango is 10. This one is my cost price. This one is my cost price. What is the selling price? What is the selling price? We have to write the selling price. Now we have to write the selling price. What is the selling price? What he has done, he sold 900 mangoes at the rate of 15 and remaining 700 mangoes are remaining because we have 1600 mango at the rate of 14. So we have to calculate it. See, two zeros can be cancelled out. This one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one will be cancelled out. What we have 160 here. 160 is here. We have 160 here. If 160 is the cost price, then what is the selling price? 15 9 ja 135 and 14 7 ja 98. That is 233. If 160 is the cost price, then 233 is the selling price. So we have a profit of rupees 73. 73 on 160 into 100. So in 4 ja, it means my answer will be greater than 40%. We can eliminate this and we can eliminate this. This one is closer to 50, but 16 5 ja 80. So this one will be my correct answer. See, 16 4 ja 64. What I have, 6 plus 3 9, 16 5 ja 80. 45% plus is my answer. That is option number A. Next. The simple interest on a sum of rupees 3 for 3 year at 8% per annum is 9120 less than the simple interest on the same sum for 7 year at 8% per annum. See, interest in percentage. If you want to calculate your interest in percentage, then you have to multiply rate into time. In first case, we have 3 year and we have 8% rate of interest. It means we have 24% rate of interest. In second case, what we have? We have 7 years and the rate of interest is 8. But we have 56% is my rate of interest. So what is the difference? 32% is the difference. 32% is the difference, which is equal to 9120. And my sum, the sum is always equal to, sum means principal is always equal to 100%. This one is my sum, that is equal to 100%. So 32% value is given. We have to calculate the value of 100%. See, if I cut this number by 8, then 4% is equal to 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32, 800. Then I can multiply 20. If I multiply 25 here, I multiply by 25 here, it will become 100%. 25 0 25 1 ja 25 plus 10 35 and 28, 28500 is my correct answer. This one will be the value of my 100%, and the sum is always 100%, which is equal to 28500. Next. A certain amount of money was lent for a period of 1 year 9 months at the rate of 10% per annum compounded annually. See, we have a rate for 12 months. The rate of 12 months is 10%. It means in 1 month, in 12 months, the 10% is equal to 1 by 10. 10% is equal to 1 by 10. So we can say that in 1 year, if my principal is rupees 10, then it will amount to rupees 11 in a single year. But now I have 1 year 9 months. So 12-month interest is 10%. 9-month interest is equal to 10 upon 12 into 9. This one is my rate for 9 months. If I want to calculate the fraction, then I have to divide it by 100. So if I simplify it, this one is equal to 3 3 ja and 3 4 ja. 3 3 ja 90 by 12. 90 by 12 means 30 by 4, 15 by 2. It means it is 7.5%. This one is 7.5%. 7.5%. If I want to write the fraction value of this 7.5%, I have to divide it by 100. This one will be equal to 25 3 ja and 25 4 ja. It means 3 by 40 is the fraction value here. It means if I have rupees 40, then it will become 43. They will become 43. So I have to multiply them. If my principal is 400, then my amount is 11 3 ja 33 11 4 ja 44 plus 43 47. So this one is my compound interest. 73 point is my compound interest, which is equals to 1460. 1460. The value of 1 point is equal to 20. We have to calculate what principal. The principal here is 400 point. So value of 400 point is equal to 400 into 20. So we have 8000 as our answer. 8000 is the answer of this question. So now this one is the end of session number 8. This one is the end of session number 8. So what we have done? We have done 10 questions. So we have done 10 questions, and all the questions are very, very beautiful as your exam point of view. So this one is the end of your 8th session. So we will meet you tomorrow at the same time. Till then,